Welcome to day 18 of 100 days of automation. Today we are going to build an NLP powered Twitter search engine. So let's see how it works. First, I'll go to my Twitter. I'll click on my Chrome extension. I'll choose extract tweets. I'll define how many tweets I want to fetch. So let's say 50. I'll say skip retweet. So I only want my original tweets. Time between each scroll 3 seconds is good. And now I'll click on run automation. So we can see that every 3 seconds we are scrolling and collecting all the tweets. So once this automation is over, we'll see our data in Airtable. So now you can see in Airtable we have collected all of our tweets, and there are also 1670 tweets of other 30 no-code creators. To check out how we did that, you can go to day 16 of 100 days of automation video. Awesome. So now our data is ready. Let's consider the problem statement. So if I go to filter and I search for add condition and text, and here I say text contains, and here I search for free form text. So let's say, where can I find about design thinking? So the Airtable doesn't give us anything. So it expects a specific thing. So if I give design thinking, we also don't get anything. So the problem is it's a very hard-coded search methodology. Unless I give keywords, it doesn't really work. So let's build a NLP powered search engine where we can give a free form text and get our results back. Now I'll go to Craftar, and this is our API that we have built to make this happen. So first we define an API input called search of type text, and we give it a value as Airtable. We can also say design thinking. Okay, awesome. And now if I go to my Airtable config from URL, so this block takes in a URL of our Airtable, so this URL, and returns the base ID, table ID, and view ID. Now we pass the base ID, table, and view ID to our block get Airtable records. So this block takes in an API key, our base ID, table ID, view ID, and how many records you want to fetch. So let's say we'll give 1600 records, and then it returns all the records to us. So using those records, this block is where we use NLP to do search, and this block takes in a query which we give, in this case design thinking. It takes in the data from Airtable, and it takes in a key that we need to search for. So if we look at our column name, it's called text. So we type text here, and then it will return us the best possible match and also a ranked list of search. So let's play and see what happens. Now we can see that our API ran, and we can look at the best match. So we got a match, and in this match we can say that the text is a design lead at Twitter and understands the power of design process. So this is very close to what design thinking search that you were doing. And we also get a ranked list with scores. So we can see that the best item was the tweet that we saw, has a score of 11.54. The second item has a score of 10.8, and so on. And at some point the scores would turn to be 0, but we can see that because of our NLP powered search, we are still getting results and also a ranking of them. Awesome. So now let's just save our API, click on publish, and now we can see the search engine in action. So here's a little search engine that I've built. So we can say, where can I find about design thinking, and then click on search. So once we do that, this calls our API in Craftar, and we'll see the results here. So here we can see that the same tweet which we just saw is the first tweet, and then we have all the other tweets that we were able to search. And now if I go and copy this here and search in Airtable, and click on filter, add condition, text contains, search, you see we don't see any results. So this is the power of an NLP powered search engine. Now we can come in here and search for who is talking about no code, and then click on search, and you can see we got results for no code as well. And so this was day 18 of 100 days of automation. We built an NLP powered search engine using Craftar, Craftar's Chrome extension, Airtable, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.